Have multiple skills but don't want a cluttered, generalist profile? In this video, I'll show you how to create specialized profiles to target different client needs. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Specialized profiles allow you to create separate, focused profiles under one main account, each with its own title, overview, and portfolio. To create one, go to Find Work, Profile, Specialized Profiles. Click Create a Specialized Profile. You'll be able to choose a new, specific title for this niche. You can then write a completely custom overview, select a unique set of skills, and even attach specific portfolio items that are relevant only to this service offering. This is perfect if you're, for example, a developer who also does technical writing. You can have one profile for Python developer and another for API documentation writer. A crucial pro tip: use specialized profiles to test new services or markets without alienating your core client base. You can send targeted proposals from the most relevant profile, dramatically increasing your relevance and chances of getting hired. And just like that, you've multiplied your opportunities without diluting your expertise. Specialized profiles are a powerful tool for multi-skilled freelancers. For which of your skills would you create a specialized profile? Tell us in the comments. To get more eyes on it, watch our next video on how to get more profile views on Upwork. Thanks for watching.